Bonjour et bienvenue sur French Lover. Hello and welcome to French Lover. Today we are going to continue on the previous video. Okay, so we're going to learn how to count the remaining part. It was divided into three parts: 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and then everything. Okay, so we learned 11 to 20 the last time. Let's learn 30, 40, 50, and the rest. Okay, so stay with me. 30 is 30. 30. Okay, avoid pronouncing the last letter in French, like the S at the end, the E at the end. So you know, say 30. Just say 30. Then 40 is 40. 40. So QU in French sounds like a K, like K. Don't go Kwa. Okay, QU is like a K, K, not Kwa. So you don't say 40, but 40. Okay, so you won't say quality, you say qualité, K. Okay, so 40. 40. 50 is 50. Remember the K. 50. 50. 60 is 60. 60. 60. 70 is 70. 70. I know it's funny. It's like 60, 10. That's 60 plus 10 giving you 70. 70. 70. So think it as 60, 10. 70 for 70. 70. Then 80 is 80. 80. 80. That's 420. 420s give you 80. I know it's funny, but just take it like that. 80. 80. 80. 420s giving you 80. 80. Okay, and then 90 is 90. 90, which actually means 4, 20, 10 give you 90. 24 times 80 and then plus 10, 90. I know it's crazy, just take it. 90 for 90. 90. And then 100 is 100. 100 is written CENT, but don't say cent, please, not like 50 cents. Say 100. Okay, 100. Centimeter, 100. Centimeter, 100. 100. Then 1000 is 1000. 1000. 1000. Okay, 1000. 1000. 2000. 2000. 3000. 3000. Okay, 10,000. 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Then million is the same. Million. You just pronounce it different. Million. 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 Okay. Okay. Next is billion. Milliard. Milliard. Billion. Milliard. Let's try it again. 30 for 30. 40. 40 for 40. 50. Remember the QU. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. 100. 100. 1000. 1000. Million. Million. Milliard. So if you cram, as I told you, from 1 to 20, and then you know 30, 40, 60, 100, 1000, million, billion, you can actually count any number in French. For example, if you want to say 21, it will just 20 and 1. 21. 21. Okay. Also, I want you to note or memorize or keep it in mind that whenever you are using like 21, 31, 41, 51, put a in the middle. A meaning and. 21, 20 and 1. Okay, 21. But when you're going back to 22, you remove the and. It works only with 1. Okay, 21, 21. If you want to say 22, 22. 22. You see, the A has come out. 22. 23, 23. 23. 24, 24. 24. 25, 25. 26, you already know, 26. Okay, 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. And then 30, you go back to your 30. So you do back the same exercise. 31, 31. Remember, 31, 31, 31, 31. Okay. So the same thing with 40, 50, 60. But there's an exception with 71. Okay, 71 and 91 are special. Let me explain. 71 ends with this. 70. 70, 70. 90 also ends with this. 90. Okay. So because of the this, if you want to say 71, it will not be 70 am. That will be wrong. Okay. You just continue with 11. 70. So 71 will be 71. That's 60 plus 11, giving you 71. 71. 60 plus 11, 71. 72. 60 plus 12, 72. 73. 60 plus 13, 73. Okay, so that's how they do it. Remember, it works only with the numbers that end with this, like 70, 70, and 90, 90. So 71 to 80 will be 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Then you go back to 80. 80. Okay, so 80 doesn't end with this, so you will say 81, 81. 80 plus 1, 81. 81, that's 81. 82, 83, it goes back to normal. Okay, but when you enter 90, 90, it ends with this, meaning the next number will be ons. That's 11. So from 90 to 100, we will have something like 90, 90, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, okay, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, and then 100. Remember, not cent, song. So did you get the rule? So the counting rule is whenever you have like 21, 31, 41, you say 20 et 1, 30 et 1, 40 et 1, 50 et 1, 60 et 1. The only difference is when the number ends with this, the next number should be ons. Like 70, 70. Okay, so 71 will be 71 and not 70 AM. That's wrong. Okay, so 71 and 90, 90. Okay, will be 91 now will be 91. Okay, so keep it in mind. The first rule is when it's 31, 21, 41, that doesn't end with this, you put a in the middle, meaning and. That's 20 and 1, 30 and 1. And then the second rule is whenever the number ends with this, the following number has to be ones, which applies only to 70 and 90 when you are counting. Okay, it's simple. So for 100 is 100. If you want to say 200, just say 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. Okay, simple. So you want to say 510, 510. 510, 510, 510. Okay, then 1000 is 1000. So you want to say 2000, 2000. 10,000, 10,000. 20,000, 20,000. Okay, 15,000, 15,000. Okay, so it's simple. You want to say maybe 100,000, 100,000. Just put 100 and then 1,000, 100,000. But if you want to say 1,000, you won't say 1,000. You just say 1,000. Okay. You want to say 100, you won't say 100. You just say 100. Okay. Then in millions, the same thing. 1 million. But this one you can say 1 million. 2 millions, 2 millions. 3 millions, 3 millions. 10 million, 10 million. Same thing with billion. You want to say 5 billion, 5 milliards. Just add S at the end. 10 billion, 10 milliards. 200 billion, 200 milliards. It's simple. I will give you some exercises at the end. You do them and then you send it to me as a comment or a message, then I will check. It's very, very simple. Just learn how to count from 1 to 20. Then master 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1,000, million, billion. And then master the few rules I've given you, like 21, 2 and 1, 20 and 1, 30 and 1. And then numbers ending with dix. The next number should be ons. That's number ending with 10. The next number should be 11, which applies only to 70 and 90. Okay, so that's very simple. Very, very simple. Also, don't forget when you're using hundreds, millions, billions, there should be an S at the end when there are many numbers. Okay, if you are just saying 100, you just say some. But if you are saying 200, you say 200, and then you add S behind the sum. But for mil doesn't have S. I know why. I don't know why. That's just how it is. If you want to say 1,000, you say mil. If you want to say 2,000, you will just say 2,000, but no S at the end. But million has S when there are many. Like 2 million, we have an S on the million. Billion, we have S at the end when there are many, like 2 billion, 3 billion. Only mil, that's 1,000, won't have S at the end of the thing. So I will write some numbers, see how you do, and then you submit. Let me mark. In the next video, I'll put the answer to the exercise I'll give in this video. Okay, so in our next class, after the answers, we'll learn how to say the time. And then the following video, we will learn how to buy in the market. Remember, I said we'll do all the videos that has to do with numbers before we move to the next topic. So if you have any question with counting, it's simple. You just have to cram it like a baby, cram it as a child. Okay, and keep it in the mind. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share for